How to change chat theme in Instagram. So go update your Instagram first to be able to access all functions that the application offers. After updating the app on the App Store, open the Instagram, and in this homepage, click on the DMs or the message icon on the top right corner of the screen. In here, choose a conversation that you want to change the chat theme. After this, click on the top where the username of the person you're chatting with is located. You will then be transferred to this page where his or her name is located, as well as their additional information, the search message function, the mute, and the other settings as well. Now below these four icons is the option to change theme. So tap on that, and once you click on that, these themes will appear. You can just scroll through these options and choose the one that you like. Once you choose a theme, as you can see, the colors of your chat will then be changed. So that is how to change chat theme on Instagram. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.